We have a weekly reversal in crude. I'm not saying that it's going to be a one-way trip. I do think we're going to challenge the 34 area. And actually, the 34 area is pretty important because that's the wedge line. Here's the wedge line coming in around the 34 area. So I believe that it will be met with selling, but I do think that we're going to penetrate this 34 area and then head up towards 38 to 40. And then you have the wedge line right there at 40. And if we get through there, I think the biggest surprise could be something like $50, $60 crude. Don't know what the catalyst is going to be. I think we have an interesting week setting up here in the euro. I still can't get real negative. We have an inside day today. Perhaps we just challenge the recent lows, trade down to maybe 760 and head up again. Pound, we were talking about 144, 145. I think that was Alien's target. But if crude is good, then perhaps so is the pound. Maybe the lows are in. We could have a nice correction. It's been one heck of a decline in the pound. So why can't we retrace, even if we go from the 52 area? Just a quick look at some possible retraces here. Let's start from the top of this wave. Let's call this at least a temporary low. So 38% back comes in at about 145, 51 is 146, and 61.8 is back to 148. And 148 was a pretty important area, 47, 48. So perhaps that's a possibility before we head down to the low 130s like Alien was talking about. And with that, I want to thank everyone. I want to thank FX Street. I want